If you're looking for bike tire repair kits, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Lowrider bike tire repair kits. Number 1, most popular, by Lowrider. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Lowrider. Number 3. For more details about this great bike tire repair kits, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Lowrider. Find these bike tire repair kits at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more bike tire repair kits ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.